Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Hey family, what's going on? It's 60BaeGrey, the real trip. We out here driving. You driving with 60BaeGrey, no cap. Man, I wanted to. I'm trying to turn right here. What is this going on? It's kind of, the sun is glaring from one side, and it's causing like a cloud. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I wanted to come back on, guys, and give you this video. This is a let's wordsmith some words, okay? And I figure I would do this for you guys. And what I mean by wordsmith is, I just realized that, I may be using some words that you guys might not understand, because, you're only as young as you feel. 60BaeGrey is like, he's 18, no cap. All right. So, and case in point, words like no cap, say less, definitely wanted you to know what those words mean and where you can find them. So no cap actually means I'm not lying. No cap. When you hear somebody say no cap, so when I say 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap, that means I'm 60BaeGrey, the real drip. I ain't lying. Hey, I ain't lying. And then, or if I say 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. No cap. In my song, I say no cap, no cap, no cap. And it's like saying I ain't lying, I ain't lying, I ain't lying. Then there's another one, say less. All right, say less is like that or okay. Some people might say, okay, I'm about to pull up, and then people say okay or say less. Now, if you ever in a spot, all right, I can't tell you how many people, like, I'm 62, somebody's texting me back, what does SMH mean? I'm like, really? They're shaking my head, right? Or LOL, or all these short words, or short texting words, or not even words, phrases that mean words, like on my way home, OMWH. So you can find that in the Urban Dictionary. All right, in the Urban Dictionary, I put a link in the description below. In the Urban Dictionary, that's right, there's a such thing as Urban Dictionary. I'm gonna put y'all on right now. That's another one. You're putting someone on. That means trying to get them to hook up. People say, man, they ain't no hook up. I don't know why I'm coughing. But people say, I'm about to put you on, Bob. It's like in one of my previous videos, I talked about the speaker system. I'm trying to put y'all on game, right? So like put y'all on game is basically, working the system. So anyway, there's many contexts that you can use it in. So I wanted to tell you about that, but now check this out. I was at the store today, and I pulled up on this lady, right? As soon as I walked through, I came through, like, if you ever seen Seinfeld, and the guy with the long hair, with the big bushy hair, he wasn't a main character. And but anyway, what was this guy's name? Not the short, fat dude, but the tall, skinny one. Anyway, I will put a picture of his picture up here, like right here. Okay. Once I edit the video, so he's kind of eccentric. Okay. And plus he says some eccentric thing. So anyway, I go in the door of the store and I slide into the door and I'm like, so then the manager, she's like about 5 feet away from me. She's like, sir, are you okay? How can I help you? I'm like, oh, okay, you trying to help me? I like this energy right here, because everybody's shy. A lot of people shy away. Not everybody. A lot of people shy away from helping people, with service. Okay, it can't be that way. I know you know what I'm talking about. People they act like, they want to shrink when you come around. I hope you don't see me. Is he going to ask me something? Anyway, the lady came to me. I'm like, okay, excuse me. I just want to let you know that my name is 60BaeGrey. She says, okay. Yeah, she says, okay, but I put the extra okays in there. And so then I'm like, no, you don't understand. I'm 60BaeGrey. So now I'm in marketing mode. Okay, so this is the reason. So anyway, I'm like, you don't understand. I'm 60BaeGrey. So she says, okay. I said, look, I'm a rapper. Right? And so then she says, what are you talking about? I said, oh, you think I'm playing? So I told you I'm a rapper, right? I said, I am looking for some things, but you just seem like a type of person that needs to be blessed right now. So I'm trying to put you on, right? That's what I told him. I'm trying to put you on. I'm trying to put you on 60BaeGrey right now, right? So then she caught on. Okay, all right. So I showed her my YouTube channel. So we had a nice long conversation. By now she's already subscribed, commented, and liked, and shared the video. And so I'm telling you the story because I brought what I went to buy. So I'm leaving the store. And so then she was hovering around the door. She probably doing that because she wanted to get my autograph, right? I'm laughing at myself. No one's ever asked me for an autograph, so I'm thinking, okay, she gonna ask me for my autograph. And so then she's standing by the door looking for some item. And so then I'm like, thank you, so I'm not gonna say her name. And so then she says, yes, have a nice day, Mr. Gray. She really thought my name was 60BaeGrey. She said. So I said, what? What did you just say to me? She says, I said, have a nice day, Mr. Gray. I'm like, listen, I'm going to talk about this in one of my videos. That's my YouTube channel name, right? And so then she said, well, what's your name? So I told her my name. She said, oh, okay, well, now you got something to talk about. That's easy. Finding something to talk about, right? So I can pull up the camera, and I've gone to a lot of places, and we just turn out and have fun, and we end up vibing because I'm trying to put people on game right now. I'm gonna listen. I went to Panera, all right, and I'm gonna put it right here, the Panera receipt, all right, and totally funny. That's a whole story within itself about what happened there. So, but anyway, I turn the camera on, and wherever I go, I'm telling everybody about 60BaeGrey. Like, well, who is that guy? That's me. I talk about myself in the third person, and I just make it a thing, whatever. But yes, I'm Mr. Gray. Yes, Mr. Gray. We're not doing 60 Shades of Gray or 50 Shades of Gray. We're not doing it in that. I'm just 60BaeGrey. All right. So, I'm saying, oh boy. Hey, look. Hey, I'm 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Like, comment, and subscribe. I try to put y'all on. I just put y'all on game right now. Y'all gotta take advantage of this, right? It's not every day that somebody's gonna do that for you, but look, I got your back, no cap. All right. Say less, man. Y'all listen. Y'all vibe me, rock with me. I got you. All right. Let's do this, player. I'm 60BaeGrey, the real drip. No cap. Hey, I'm out. Bye. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip.